There's a huge amount of value in this cryptocurrency space with trading and exchanging different forms of currency, different times of acquisition, different times of selling. It's very similar to the stock market. So there's people over the last 5-6 years that became very successful trading currencies.
Mogul Mafia, it's your girl Samaya coming back at you with yet another video. Today's video is a pretty exciting one. It is all about money and making money and doing it through investing. As some of you guys may know, I have been investing for a few months now. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen all these real crazy and colorful charts. You've seen me studying. You've seen me, really making money too, because I've shared that on there. You guys have, sort of seen a little bit of that journey, but a lot of people don't know what it is I've been doing, what I mean by the market, and if I'm doing stocks and things like that. So I'm really going to clear a little bit of that up for you guys and really explain what Forex is in this video in just a few minutes, break it down real quick and simple for you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So what is Forex, right? So Forex literally stands for foreign exchange, and it is the foreign exchange of currencies. So I'm not well traveled, and as some of you guys know, I've never been on a plane before. I haven't been anywhere yet. But an example that even I was able to understand is that if I were to go to another country, and I would take my home country's currency and exchange it for the country's currency that I'm traveling to. So if you've ever traveled or anything like that, you have physically participated in the foreign exchange market. Now, we're talking financial markets here. So since being involved in the market since this past June, one thing that I've really noticed is that people know what stocks are very well, but they don't know about Forex, despite Forex being the largest market in the world that trades $7 trillion daily, and that is because Forex includes stocks. So what are stocks to begin with? So stocks are the value of a company, so any place where you like to spend money or things that you like to spend money on, while Forex is the value of a country's currency, specifically the exchange rate between those currencies. So I'll use Jamaica, for example, because I always want to go there. So $1 US is converted, or it exchanges to 141 Jamaican dollars, right? So $10 US really is valued at, $1,400 in Jamaica. And this is because the exchange rate has changed between the two currencies. So since the Forex market is always moving up and down, it's open 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, there's plenty of opportunities to be profitable within this market. But a lot of people still ask me, how though? How exactly do we make money off of these exchange rates and exchanging currencies digitally in this market? And the answer is simple. You just buy low and sell high. So if I was trying to sell you this jacket, for example, you're going to want to buy at the lowest possible price that you can that is available to you on the market. From there, if you decide to sell that item, that jacket, those shoes, or that home, you're going to want to sell it for more than what you bought it for, so you can make profit off of it. So that's essentially what happens on Wall Street, and that's what banks do, and that's what traders like myself also do to be profitable. So for example, when the price of a currency pair goes up, then I'm going to want to sell it. When it goes down, I'm going to want to buy it. And this goes for currency pairs, stocks, metals such like gold. There's so many things that you can trade inside of the market, and literally all day, every day, the market is fluctuating, which is why people refer to the Forex market often as a recession-proof market, because no matter if it's high or low, you can definitely, absolutely, you are making money. So that's it in a nutshell, you guys. That is an in-depth overview of what is Forex. If you guys have any questions, definitely DM them to me on Instagram or leave them down in the comment section below, so I can go ahead and get all of your questions answered. There will be more videos on the channel on Forex, and I'll be doing a little bit of teaching as well. I have my whiteboard here, so I'll be going through, how to place a trade in the market, and that might be actually the next video. So definitely stay tuned for everything coming your way. I will see you guys at the bank. Love and light, y'all. Bye.